What's up, guys? This is Wiezys Trading. Today I'm releasing the Wiezys RSI Crazy Arrow Volume 2 for MT4. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how to trade it, and how to get the best entries with it. First, you go over here to the navigator, open it up. Wiezys RSI Crazy Arrow 2. This indicator prints arrows based on RSI conditions and is designed to give clean, non-repainting entry signals. I'm going to show you quick here what's the main difference from Volume 1 and Volume 2. This Volume 2 is right here, only prints on first opposite direction arrows. True. That's the main difference between the two of them. In fact, that's pretty much the only difference between the two of them. If you turn it to false, it'll show all the arrows from Wiezys RSI Crazy Arrow, which can be a lot. So we changed it over just to show every opposite arrow. Makes it a lot more accurate. This arrow is not going to be 100% accurate. It is a non-repainting arrow, so it does not recalculate like most other indicators to show you perfect entries every single time, which is not possible if you're any kind of trader. You know this. When buy arrow prints, you're looking for price to move up, and when sell arrow prints, the red ones, you're looking for price to move down. You don't want to take every signal. Avoid choppy markets, sideways markets. You're looking for nice, clean momentum moves and trends. We'll show the GU M5 here. This arrow is good on most time frames and pairs. You just have to adjust it. The settings right here, you can adjust those. If you want to learn a little bit more about that, you can watch my other video, the first video I made on Wiezys RSI Crazy Arrow. The link will be in the description. I highly suggest that you join Wiezys Trading and join my Telegram channel. That's where I drop all my future releases and updates first. This is not financial advice. Trade at your own risk. Thanks for watching.